So when I got diagnosed with PCOS, I started getting scared whether I'll be able to conceive or not. But nothing was working in my favor. Started taking Gynoveda's Ayurvedic medicine from PCOS to pregnancy to being a mother. That really gave goosebumps to me, and in fact right now I have goosebumps myself. The kind of feeling this baby has given me since the time he's arrived in my life and when I first held him in my hands, he has changed my whole world, and there is no words can describe this feeling ever. I was truly blessed looking at his face and the way he just wanted me. That whole feeling is indescribable actually.
It was an out of the world feeling to see your child in my hand. That feeling didn't sink in for quite some time, and but yeah, internally I was very happy, and our baby basically means the world to us.
I would recommend that you should trust Gynoveda.
We are really thankful to Gynoveda for suggesting those pills to us.
Developing my baby, giving birth to him, till the time I heard his first cry in the operation theatre, that feeling I don't think I can express in words. So when I started taking Gynoveda's Ayurvedic medicine, I started witnessing changes, and within 2 months of taking this medicine, I got my period. My skin started glowing. I started reducing my weight. The anxiety of medicines not working on my body was slowly going out. After marriage is something when I discovered lag in my periods, because till then I did not really had any issue. But when it started delaying for say 40-45 days, that's when the alarm struck, and I thought I should go and check with a gynec, and she asked me to go under a sonography, and that's when I got on my report saying it was a mild PCOS. She asked me to take certain pills which were going for 21 days, and she said that with this, after taking 3 to 4 cycles, your period should be again back to normal. When we went back to the gynec, she advised us to take hormonal injections to conceive. Me and my husband were really not very confident about whatever she told us. My father doesn't believe in taking allopathy. He's always against it because he says that it does more damage to the body. I remembered him and I thought I must give a try to Gynoveda's Ayurvedic medicine.
When Kinjal told me that she thinks she has a PCOS problem, so we consulted a few doctors, and in her workspace, that's when she met Rachna and got introduced to Gynoveda. And against the hormonal pills that were suggested to us by a few doctors, she went ahead with the prescription which Gynoveda suggested, and I think within 2 to 3 months of completing her prescription course of Gynoveda, we got this good news of she being pregnant. The confidence which Kinjal had on Gynoveda and the way it has worked for her, we would recommend Gynoveda for every couple who are trying to conceive. It will surely work.